Hi everyone, in front of me I have the Xiaomi 12 smartphone, and in this video I will show you the top 3 home screen widgets that you can possibly add on your device. In order to access the widgets menu, you gotta either tap and hold on any vacant space you have on your screen or make the shrink and swipe. After that, just go to widgets. Here at the widgets menu you have all kinds of categories containing all kinds of designs of your widgets, and the first one that I would like to show you in this video is the clock widget that will also contain the weather information. Just look for the clock category and here choose the first design. In order to rotate the widget in between the home screens you have, just tap and hold it and move it to the screen of your liking, on the home screen of your liking. Here, just tap on the check-in icon and the widget will be successfully added to the home screen. The second widget that I would highly recommend on getting is the Google search bar. Here at the widgets menu, just look for the Google category, press on the Google search bar and move it to the place you want to be it at. I'll just leave it here. Also by tap and holding you can access the opportunity to change its size, so I'll make it a little smaller. And the first and the third and the last widget for this video is basically the general widget for the music app that you're listening to. It is possible, it is allowed to either add the YouTube music if you're using it for listening to music basically, or the Spotify widget. I'll just go with Spotify and leave it at the same screen where I left all my widgets at. Or basically I will also show how you can rotate the widget from this screen to any other screen once the widget is actually added. In order to do that, you gotta open up the widget menu again, and here tap and hold the widget that you would like to move to some other home screen and choose the home screen that you would like to place it at. I'll just go with this one. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.